Today, we're diving into Looker Studio versus Power BI. Which tool is better for your data needs? Let's find out. Both Looker Studio and Power BI help you visualize data. They make it easier to understand complex information, but they do it in different ways. Looker Studio is known for its user friendly interface. It allows you to create reports and dashboards quickly. You can connect it to various data sources. This makes it a great choice for teams who want to share insights easily. On the other hand, Power BI is part of the Microsoft family. It offers deep integration with other Microsoft tools. This can be a big advantage if you already use products like Excel or Azure. Power BI is powerful for data modeling and analysis. Now, let's look at the key differences. Looker Studio focuses on collaboration. It's designed for teams to work together on reports. Power BI, however, is more about advanced analytics. It offers complex data transformations and calculations. In terms of features, Looker Studio shines with its sharing capabilities. You can easily publish and share reports with others. Power BI has more advanced visualization options. It also provides more detailed data insights. When it comes to pricing, Looker Studio is generally more affordable for small teams. Power BI has a tiered pricing model which can get pricier as you add more features. So, who should choose what? If you need a simple collaborative tool, go for Looker Studio. If you want powerful analytics and already use Microsoft products, Power BI is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.